Complete beginners are making thousands every week on Pinterest by adapting to the platform's recent changes, which many are unaware of. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to build a business on Pinterest without spending money, having prior experience, or showing your face. You just need to follow each step carefully and take your time on this. Step 1 is to create a brand new Pinterest account specifically for this strategy. Visit pinterest.com, click the sign up button, enter your basic details, and your account will be ready. Step 2 involves setting up a kit.co store. This free tool lets you compile various physical products into a single store, eliminating the need for a personal website while allowing you to earn affiliate commissions. Focus on specific niche of your choice for this setup. Now, just for the sake of this tutorial, I will be going with the dental care niche. So I'm going to create my store by clicking a plus icon at the top, clicking on create a new kit, and I'm going to name it Dental Care and continue with that. For step 3, use ChatGPT to inquire about trending products in your Pinterest niche, such as dental care. Ask it for current popular items on Amazon in that niche. Search for these products in Amazon.com by pasting their name in the search bar, clicking on the product, copy the link of this product, go back to your kit.co store and paste your link in the link area right here. Click on the enter and kit.co will display this product, this exact product, and you can add this product to your store with a single click, add to kit. Now you just need to rinse and repeat this process for the next product. Just copy the name of it, go to amazon.com, find this product, open up, copy the link of this product, the URL link, paste it in kit.co store, search for this product and add it to kit. Aim to include at least 10 to 15 products. To do this, choose items from various categories, copy the product details, paste them into kit.co and add them with a single click. I've already added several products and you will have to keep adding them until you reach at least 15 products in your one store. To view your kit, you can easily click on the three dots right here and click on copy link to share, open up a new tab and just paste your link right here. And this is basically it. This is how you build your kit.co store. A crucial step is to go to edit profile tab, click on monetize and link your Amazon Associates account. Scroll down a bit, choose to connect your Amazon account, input your affiliate codes, select Amazon and enter your tracking ID. After this, click Save Changes to enable tracking for sales through your store. For step 4, we are going to modify our Pinterest account. Go to ChatGPT and type in something like this. Create a bio for my Pinterest account in the dental care niche. Include social proof and a call to action related to my niche. Click enter and wait for a couple of seconds for ChatGPT to generate your bio. That even gave us a profile name, Dental Care Haven. We can totally use this one. Since my Pinterest profile focuses on dental care, I want to set up a brief bio for my account. I'll copy this bio and head back to our Pinterest account, click on your profile and click on edit profile and paste my bio in this section over here. Now it says that we are having more than 500 characters, so we can delete the name. Let me quickly copy this name so we can use in the name area right here, and we can delete this and leave the emoji just like this. Now don't forget to get your kit.co store link. Click on your store and click on the three dots and copy link to share. Go back to your Pinterest account and paste this link in the website area right here. Here's how my profile looks now. A name, an engaging bio, and a link to my store. When someone clicks on that link, we'll be directed to a kit.co page where we can buy the products and I'll earn a commission each sale. But don't forget guys, you also want to change your logo and a banner to suit your niche. In my case, Dental Care Haven, but in this case I won't change it. I don't want to spend a lot of time on this. By the way guys, I've created an awesome affiliate marketing knowledge quiz just for you, where Whether you are just starting out or you are already an expert, this quiz will help you discover your level of expertise. You'll receive personalized tips and resources based on your results, and you'll get access to exclusive courses and ebooks to help you boost your skills and income. All you need to do is click the link in the description below to take the quiz, answer questions, enter your email, and get your personalized results delivered straight to your inbox. It's that simple. Don't sleep on it, and let's get back to our video. Next, we'll utilize a free tool for generating product images. For instance, Leonardo AI is a great option that allows you to create visuals for the products you're promoting as an affiliate. Request realistic images of your products and it will quickly produce these images. Ensure you generate an image for each product listed in your Kit.co store. We can go back to our Kit.co store, click on Amazon, and just copy the product name of this product, this exact product, toothpaste, and go back to our Leonardo AI, click on image creation, paste the name of a product in this prompt tab, click on generate. Once the image is ready, you'll see it looks great and realistic. Now go back to ChatGPT and ask it for viral post ideas tailored to your Pinterest audience. It will suggest topics based on your input. For instance, it might recommend a post titled "Before and After Transformations, DIY Teeth Whitening, Dental Care Routines," and many others. Choose the idea you like and instruct ChatGPT to help you craft an article about this topic. Now you can simply take this entire article that ChatGPT has generated for us and go to medium.com. Click on write and paste all of this text into this section over here. Just paste all of it here and add title, and you can even add some images for this article to look more appealing. The image we already generated, we can go back to it and click on download, go back to our Medium. Now you just need to find this product. There it says white toothpaste. You can click enter, click on plus icon, click add an image, and add the image we just downloaded, just like this. Now you just need to rinse and repeat for all of these products, generate images for them, and adding those images to each of these sections. Final thing is to create a call to action and integrate our Kit.co store link into it. You can add call to action below each of these products. You can simply type in click here to get your product. And now you can highlight this and click on this icon right here and just paste your Kit.co store link over here. Next, I'll ask Leonardo AI to create images related to this post. So we can copy this title, go to Leonardo AI and just paste it right here and click on generate. And if you like those images, you can just download one of them. Next, we'll need to create a Pinterest post. Go back to your Pinterest account, click on create a pin and just choose an image we just downloaded. For the title, we can just copy it from our article. For the description, we can also copy it from our article as well, just like this. Or you can ask ChatGPT to generate your description and just copy all of his description and just paste it right here. It looks way better. Last thing you want to do is to add your article in this area right here. So we can go back to our Medium, click on publish and publish now. And now we can copy our article's URL and paste it right here. You can choose a board if you want. You can create a new one, dental care, for example, create a board, click on create. You can add some tags if you want, but the last thing you want to do is just click on publish. And this is basically everything you need to know to start your journey with affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Now you just need to rinse and repeat this process at least 3 to 5 times a day and you should be all set. I hope you found value in this one, and don't forget to test your skills in the quiz I created, like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.